2021 Street Machines car show over at the Corvette Freaks paddock, and everybody getting their cars detailed, ready for the show.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars
Thank you, folks. Thank you very much.
Just showing you a couple of the cars. Here is Gil's beautiful 09 convertible, complete with his own little model of the car, and removed before flight in his engine bay. Very nice car, sir. Here's Alfonso and his beautiful 2000 yellow C5. Alfonso is one of the co-founders of Corvette Freaks. And once again, thanks for Raymond for the emblems. Here's Tom's beautiful C4 Corvette. What year is that, Tom?
Look at the plate. It'll tell you the transmission too.
Look at that.
I don't have to answer any questions this year.
Tom has won a lot of awards with this beautiful C4. It's just an absolutely stunning car. Here is a beautiful 1970 C3. Absolutely stunning. Here's my buddy's 1988 C4. Won a lot of awards with this car. This car is stunning.
He's gonna take the top off.
Here's my friend Rick's badass 1980 C3. Gorgeous car. 2012 Grand Sport. 2003 Z06. 1975 C3. 2000 C6. 2008 Z06.
Yeah, as you know, we do car of the hour.
2000 C5.
This one's for you.
Beautiful 99 C5. Another 99 C5. 79 C3. 2020 C8. '63 C2.
Keep the drinks coming.
427. 76 C3. Another C8. Another 2002 C5. Beautiful 1980 C3. One more time, another 1980 C3. 1981 C3. Some very cool striping. '2009 C6. 2017 Z06. Good to see a C7. Beautiful. Here's a real nice car. Here's a 1968 C3, first year of the C3, in a very good year. It's the year I was born. 2015 Stingray. 1964 C2.
You can park anywhere, you know. And then, yeah.
Another 2002 C5. '96 C4, last year of the C4. Beautiful. 1964 C2 race car.
Mark Fazza Chile Ferrari. Yo, hey, Mark Fazza 2 Ferrari. We're gonna go with that. So car number 282. How about Cat Jones? Cat Jones, thanks for having a piece of name for me. Car number 375. Gene Hurd. Jim Hurd. Jim Hurd, car number 333.
Here is my little piece of the Corvette world. This is my 2002 C5 convertible 6-speed Z51. Bought this car 2 years ago from the original owner. I am the second owner. I absolutely love it. Once again, Raymond, thank you so much for the decal and emblem for the underneath the hood.